Today I'm in beautiful Byron Bay at a coastal boutique style accommodation. Welcome to Cape Beach House, let's check it out. Alright, so this is the communal sort of living and dining area. You've got the pool just out there, a gorgeous little courtyard. This accommodation is made up of only 4 different rooms. So this is sort of the place where you hang out, chill, and even eat one of these freshly baked muffins. How cute. Let's check out one of the rooms. I love that they've kept some of the old features of the space intact, like these beams across here and these stunning hardwood floors. Taking a look in the ensuite, it's very clean, very minimal, and that brushed nickel just really ties it all in together. Take a peek in the other 2 rooms down here, and then there's a bigger space upstairs which I'm really excited to show you about. So we've made it upstairs. This is actually the apartment where the owners of the property live. It's still a very similar vibe to downstairs, but they've just brought in this gorgeous duck egg blue colour into the cabinetry, and the colour really just transfers through to the ensuite as well. Go check it out. What I love about this part of Cape Beach House is that this apartment is actually quite small, but it feels spacious because you've got this pitched roof up here. This project is coastal, and you see so many coastal projects these days that are just white on white on white, but I love this place because they've brought in these blues and these warm timbers and this rattan, and it's stunning and it really stands out above the rest. And isn't this just the best seat in the house? Thanks for coming on another home tour with ABI Interiors. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Cape Beach House. See you guys next time.